We're out here to disinfect all these businesses. So anybody in Southwest Florida that needs these services, especially in this scary time with the coronavirus, we don't mind coming in. We'll disinfect their whole place. We'll wipe everything down, and at least we'll have some peace of mind that we got above this virus a little bit. We use our solution, which is a green product, and we use a machine, a ULV machine, ultra low volume. Basically, it breaks down the chemical into a very small particle, and we can spray it into the air and into the ventilation system. What that'll do is that'll basically cover everything, and then at the end, if there's any kind of residue, we'll come in and we'll wipe everything down, effectively disinfecting anything that may be remaining. I want everybody in Southwest Florida to know that in this scary time, we'd be happy to come out and assist any company in Southwest Florida. Just give us a call.